Hello travel lovers, this is Joanna Fort and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will show you around in few tourist spots here in Oman. First stop, the Sinkhole. This park is called Hawiyyat Najm Park, which translates to the Falling Star Park. The locals believe that it was created by a meteorite or a falling star. Although geologists have confirmed the Earth's upper crust layer collapsed due to erosion, people still believe that it's caused by a falling star.
Well, we're going to the sinkhole and it's still closed, but we had a chance to open the park because of
I use my charm.
here in Oman. It looks all the same, yeah. You still have thing at I don't know. Yeah, and this is the sinkhole.
This is not the only one in Oman, but they consider this as the best spot ever. Even though it's tempting, just a reminder, it's not allowed to jump over here. To enjoy a much better view, you have to go down. Just be careful with its steps because it's a bit high. It is 1.5 hours of driving from Muscat, and it's totally worth it.
And we're here in Sinkhole.
This sinkhole is about 600 meters away from the sea and contains fresh water mixed with seawater, which gives a turquoise color that is very tempting to people to swim. You can go swimming with the little fishes that are known to be nibbling people's toes, but don't worry, it's not harmful. We didn't have a chance to go for a swim, but it's really beautiful. You have to see it. There's an indescribable feeling when you see the place. Even words cannot explain.
We have an exclusive tour here in Sinkhole, and they said Sinkhole is one of the famous places here in Oman.
And it's really tiring to go up again, but we did it. After showing you the first spot, we will go to the inner part beauty of Oman. But we'll need to drive again for 2 hours.
Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your mind.
And here we are entertaining ourselves. After 2 hours of driving, now we reach in the rock. This is one of the surfing spots that people used to go. You excited to see the next spot? And here we are in
Asilah!
Fishing boats are around because fishing is the main occupation here in the village, and this is the important source of income of the villagers. You will see a lot of things here, and look what we found, a dead fish that is bigger than my foot. Some people don't like this weather, but we are enjoying it. Tourists come here for surfing, kite surfing, fishing, and just roaming around. The weather is so good.
You got something?
You get
Not
it?
yet. Not yet. You got
Coming.
A Asilah is not so famous to everyone, but you have to see the beautiful beaches, the good waves, and the good weather. You should come and visit them.
Never gonna let me down, gonna never do the things around. I know someday when I all turn around, all my life I'm waiting for, other people to see. Umayos ka dyan!
Eid Mubarak to all the people watching! And we are invited by our friend to have a lunch here at Lahab Kitchen Restaurant.
Assalamualaikum.
For the menu, we will be having a traditional Omani food and we will be having it and eating it in Omani way. Once you enter the restaurant, you will feel at home. Everything is served, you just need to help yourself and get whatever you like. Just like this one, you will get money here. But it's a toothpick. So here in the restaurant, it's like a traditional Omani household. You have this big majlis and you can socialize over here. You can eat together with other people. Men and women are mostly separated here in this kind of public restaurant, but you can choose to have a family room like this. 3 to 5 persons can easily fit here. Omani way of eating, it's like a boodle style, but the only difference is like you're sitting on the floor. You have to sit Indian style, but Bogo doesn't know how to and he's not comfortable with it. Our friend Sultan is making us really comfortable, trying to accommodate our questions about food and making us feel at home.
How to eat Omani food, you need to use your hands only, without spoon and fork. So,
Eat rice.
grab the... I'm not eating rice.
شوية لا no problem one time. Red wine.
Sorry guys, as of the moment I'm not eating rice. So this is the way we eat. We eat on the plastic. We don't need any plates.
Okay. Eat. Soft the meat?
Yeah, so much.
The food is so good and the meat is so tender. I love it. I really enjoy Omani food. Bogo is looking for a spoon, so I think we will have one. So when you get here in Oman, you should try their kabsa, laham, shua, my favorite, and also their mishkak.
And this is the final look.
The food is so amazing. We are so full. And of course, don't forget the Omaning akawa. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See ya!